Train Your Eye exercise, teaching you how to train your eye and your brain to see and think like an interior designer would. Those of you interested in an interior design career without necessarily getting a degree. Part 4, we are talking about how you document the decisions that you make regarding the specs or the specifications of spaces. In part 3, we talked about dissecting different areas and learning to identify what those specs or specifications, decisions, and details are that make this space and not another space. What do you do once you have those decisions in your mind? How do you document them? Number 1, you need to have the proper templates and systems. Talk a lot about this in the crash course. We've got some tools on the website for this. I even talk about it a lot in the blogs. You need to know that you have the documents set up and ready to input these details and specifications. 2, you're going to need to have your drawings. Be your floor plans, your elevations. If you don't know what elevations are, ask me in the comments. Most important thing about all of this documentation is how clear your communication is and how organized you are. Say it's the flooring. The flooring drawings are going to have a label or a number system that are going to connect to another part of the document or a separate document that lists all of the materials that need to be installed per area, and that number is going to match there. It's kind of like paint by numbers, but for contractors. I assure you, if you are not endlessly detail-oriented with these things, your contractors are going to make their own decisions and install something else in a different way. Whether it's flooring and they choose a different transition material because you didn't pick the right Schluter, or grout, or the distance that you need to specify between tiles or transitions, just decide it on their own, and you won't realize it until you see it installed, and then it's too late unless you want to pay for it yourself. Make sure you are following, saving these videos so that you can come back and practice more.